Welcome to the RazerCam camera and monitor kits. We offer 3 RazerCam kits for 3 really important reasons. If you have a Bobcat skid steer.
Legal disclaimer, Dakota Micro is not an authorized Bobcat partner.
2, you have a different brand skid steer or similar size equipment. And 3, you like to get wet. We'll get to that. First, let's talk about that kit. That's not for Bobcats, but it just happens to fit perfectly in a Bobcat skid steer.
Dakota Micro is not an authorized Bobcat partner.
It has everything in the box you need to hook up a RazerCam camera system in a pre-R series Bobcat skid steer.
Dakota Micro is not an authorized Bobcat partner.
Which is approximately 2021 and older. You get a RazerCam 170-degree camera, which goes right here in the beeper hole, a perfectly sized 7-inch monitor with a harness that supports up to 4 cameras if you want to add an additional 3, a 15-foot cable, monitor brackets, a custom camera bracket which bolts right through here, comes with all the wires and connections that you'll need to hook this system up in the field, and a skid steer heat shield which protects your camera on the inside of the engine compartment. Let me show you. Goes right here. It just happens to fit perfectly in the inside of the back of a Bobcat. Legal disclaimer, Dakota Micro is not an authorized Bobcat partner.